What's up everybody, it's Steve with Heatshield Products. Today we're going to go over one of our new products. It's kind of a twist on one of the old products we've made before. A lot of people just don't like dealing with exhaust wrap. They don't want to wrap their pipes. They don't want to sit there, take a roll of wrap, get it out of the package and coil it around like this. So we've got a super easy, simple solution for you. This is our Heatshield Armor. These are our pipe kits. They come pre-cut for 2.5, 3-inch. We'll do 2-inch. Right now we got 2.5, 3-inch exhaust pipe. It's real easy. You take it out of the package. It's got these awesome little capstan rivets on it. Comes with a wiring kit. Awesome little Heatshield Products hot sticker here so people know you got a high quality product on there. But we're gonna go over this real quick. It's real easy. You just take it, put it around the pipe, cinch it down like this. You get your wire and coil it around. If I was smart, I would have had one of these undone, but here we go. Do it anyway. So I'm just gonna start here, coil it around, take it around on this other side here, coil it around. Gonna grab an alternative, a pair of alternative lifestyle pliers, make a snip, pinch it down, and away you go. There's a huge distinct advantage to this heat shield versus the all metal heat shields. So in the all metal heat shields, like that come from the factory, they have a metal part here touching the outer metal part right here. So as what you do is you get a hot piece of metal touching another hot piece of metal, and then it comes around and it heats up this cold side of metal. By putting the textile on here, we create a thermal break, which significantly reduces the thermal energy radiating off the pipe. Another thing you'll see is there's a lot of aftermarket pipe heat shield kits like this, and they have a standoff where it's like a little metal stand so the shield actually sits up about, you know, yay high or higher. The problem with that is you get a lot of heat that escapes. It doesn't stay in the exhaust. We're trying to create scavenging here. Also, another problem with that is the heat will escape and radiate out and go upward towards your floor pan. So with this, we're trapping the heat where it belongs. It's staying in the pipe. We're creating scavenging. And the thing that muffler companies and exhaust manufacturers all love, it's got a nice gap here so the pipe breathes and it's warranty friendly. Okay, so here we are under this 2013, right, Thomas? Yes, sir. 2013 JK. And you can see right here, this is an aftermarket exhaust. I think the factory exhaust kind of takes the same route essentially, but if you're looking under this Jeep right here, you can see, hey look, there's no factory heat shield insulation over here. So you're just getting a lot of heat radiating up here on the passenger side. Rear passenger, they're gonna experience some stuff. Your cargo area, I think, which is up there. So we're just gonna show you, this is super easy to put on these Heatshield Armor Pipe kits. There's no more coiling around. You don't have to take the pipe off. This has got real tight clearance here. We got, I mean, it's squeezing on my ring finger here. So we're gonna show you how we can get this thing on here without taking the pipe off, and it's super easy to do. So here we go. We got our pipe, our Heatshield Armor Pipe kit here. Gonna take it, wrap it around, stuff it up above. We're gonna tuck it here. You can see it's a little bit of a struggle because we've got a few things to clear here. And gonna kind of center it up in the pipe here. And this is what I love about these kits here, is if I had something, say, that was sensitive over here, not on this application but another vehicle, you could actually angle where the heat escapes and twist that and make the gap face this way outside the car, or out, in this case, outside the Jeep. But since we don't have to worry about that on this install, we're just gonna go ahead and do it straight up so the heat comes down. Nice thing about a Jeep, this Jeep in particular, plenty of ground clearance so the heat has a chance to dissipate. So we're just gonna grab one of these wires. I'm just gonna tie it around here like this. I should actually probably pre-cut this. Actually, you know what? Here, see, beginner's tip here. I should have started on the inside. It makes it a little bit easier if you start on the inside. But all I'm doing is just wrapping this around. Wrap around, wrap around. Got an alternative pair of alternative lifestyle pliers. I'm gonna throw those up here. Boom, we're done. Just go on to the next one, but I'm gonna be smart about it this time. And I'm gonna coil it around. There is an optional spring kit available for these. which makes it a little bit easier. But all right, there we go. Wrap around 2 times. And we're done. Just keep going like this and so on. So another thing too, when you're doing your install, is we leave a little gap on the foil. Like the foil will extend out past the insulation, and that's just to cinch this up and kind of get a good seal on the pipe, and you can just play with that as you put it in. Another thing I failed to mention is that this is fully paintable. Any engine or exhaust paint will work on this. You don't need to prime it. Just lay it right on there. The other really cool thing that we discovered is most of these engine paints have a flex agent in them, so you can paint it flat, make it look all nice and pretty, bend it around the pipe, and then there's no flaking or chipping when you curl it around the pipe. But that's it. It's super easy. All right, so that's about it. That's the Heatshield pipe armor kits. Super awesome, easy way to make your ride cool. In this case, a Jeep. If you liked this video, you found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave some comments below. We want to know what kind of products you want to see us guys do next and what kind of installs you want to see us do next. Thank you very much and have a great day.